Hi, today I will be user testing the web hosting company and website builder platform Hostinger. I will be covering a standard testing, the Horizons AI prompt tool, the workspace creation, features testings, the core tools I will be testing out, and also the pricing slash upgrade work like the user flow for to upgrade your account. Going through that as well as a overall site assessment, just checking the UI and accessibility features. So right away, I see everything just in front of me. I like how it's not cluttered, and I do like the UI. The color scheme is very easy on the eyes. It's like relaxing. But first, I will be testing out the prompt tool, and I will be inserting this prompt into it. I made it earlier, and the prompt I will be using for the editor is I'll be asking it to create a website for a freelance UI UX designer with a work portfolio page and a contact page or whatever is appropriate. Keep the theme minimalist yet professional and engaging, and also keep the navigation and menu bar accessible from anywhere on the page, not just at the very top. And also I wanted to make it a little bit more complex and see how much you can actually do, and also put in and create a community website for a startup hub with event calendars and newsletter sign up. And I'm going to be explaining if the results are relevant and easy to understand. So let's go back to the tool after I will copy this. But so far everything's very smooth and it's working as expected. I do like how it's showing everything though. Like even how it's doing the AI is working on the coding for the website, and how it has the tips. If you run into errors that can't be fixed after multiple tries. Oh, that's a good tip. So I do like how they have little tips right there. It's nice. Although for slower computers or slower equipment that uses like slower processing speeds, this might be an issue though, because it's having a lot of stuff running on the page. Right there where it's showing all the coding and stuff that could be hidden, because I have been on other sites before where something like that would cause a delay or a lag. But besides that, everything is very nice. I like how it has a night theme. And like the black theme already set, and it's working. It just takes a little minute. And then that's also a very good tip about being specific about what you want to add or change. Avoid messages like I don't like this or make it different. Yeah, when you're using AI, when you're prompting, that's exactly what you should not do, is be vague. You have to be very detailed and very specific with what your request is. So this is taking a little minute. Okay, see how it's getting slow right here now? And then the page will unresponsive. So I think that would be an issue. That would be definitely an issue that popped up. I do know it's because I'm running on this off of a Chromebook, so that might be the issue. But it does work when I'm not recording, when I'm not doing a screen recording. But yes, I would honestly have the stuff that doesn't need to be shown, and all the like the JavaScript or whatever Flash you're using to animate all that stuff, I would have it just hidden. And then now it's done. Okay, let's see what happened with the site. So first I asked for a minimalist theme, which gave it a minimalist theme. It's very nice. It's clean. The correct fonts and whatnot are nice. It's set up very nice, and the font sizes is very linear, and everything looks like it just fits perfect, and it has different sections. So yes, it actually did my request. It kept the toolbar accessible from anywhere on the page. And let's just go over here, check out the other pages. So right away I could tell that I could just honestly publish this site. Well, not like this obviously, but with my work I could just upload it and then boom, I could publish it right away, and I don't really have to work on the theme anymore, or I could basically, it's out of the box really. I like that. It's very useful and very versatile. And let's see, I'm gonna try to edit some content to web chat. The text checks can be changed only through web chat. So okay, let's do this. So for the prompt tool, I will be doing this. So on the portfolio page, can you change the button web design? Web. So now I'm inputting it, and let's see if it does get my request correctly. Okay, it's going, and it is nice. The AI talks to you and tells you, hey, I'm doing this, I'm doing that. It's like affirming things with you. I think that's it makes it kind of like a more of a human type of like chat, or not chat, but like type of support, instead of just talking with the AI or program. So let's see. Oh, it did. Okay, so it did change it correctly. So that's nice. Okay, so let's see. Let's do this. Oh, you can even access the code. Okay, nice. So for more custom, like if you really want to customize it, even if you know HTML, CSS, or JavaScript, you could just do this. Very handy, very versatile. Let's see what other things are on this. Black Friday, quick guide. Okay, so it doesn't even have this. It has a more in-depth little tutorial. Nice. Okay, covers. Okay, nice. And then from here, I'm already talking to the AI right there. So, I mean, the tool is very nice, very versatile. I personally am going to take a design off of this and use it on my own domain hosting platform that I use, which I won't discuss here, but I'm actually going to take the ideas off of this and apply it over there. So I like this. I give it a 10 or 8 out of 10 just because there was a lag time in the beginning with the loading and everything when it was building the site. But besides that, I give it an 8 out of 10 for just this tool itself. So now let's see, moving on. So I'm going to be creating a new workspace. So let's see, I'm going to create a new workspace. So let's go back to create new website, hosting this dashboard. Okay, so creating a new workspace. I think it's referring to creating a new application or like a website. So I'll go back to Horizons. And from here, I will be adding a website. There's no other option. So I'm going to safely assume that that is what I'm supposed to do. And right now it's going to take me back to the prompt page. And this is what's going to create my new workspace, I assume. It's the same thing. I would have to go over it again. And the naming everything's clear and I can see everything that I need to see and adjust. Anything I do need to adjust just by inputting into the, but yeah, I mean, everything else is on this website, very clean. The UI is nice and responsive. Everything is where it's supposed to be and it's very easy to use. So yes, everything worked exactly as expected with the clear and efficient layout that left nothing confusing. The site's design is well organized and intuitive, matching the rest of its consistently polished structure. I especially appreciate how AI is thoughtfully utilized to help people build websites, making the entire experience smooth, functional, and user-friendly. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope that you enjoyed it.